Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia, and this machine was brought in because it wasn't brewing. And what we discovered is that, let's see if I can open this door here. This tab right here had broken off of this hinge, and this little thing hits a little connector up in there, a switch that tells the machine the door is shut. And it was broken off, and so the machine didn't know the door was shut, and so it would not function at all. So if all the sensors aren't activated, then the machine just will not work. And so we replaced the hinge, and once we had it up and running, we noticed a leak, and so we replaced the brew valve inside the machine, which provides water from the thermoblock into the infuser to brew the coffee. Here it is, functioning again, and we will test it. Pre-infusion. Beautiful. All right, there it is. About 1 ounce. All right, now we can test the other functions. Let's see here, we got hot water here. See what that is. Now let's go for steam. It'll take a minute to heat up to reach steaming pressure. We'll purge that water first. There we go. Okay, the pump activating. Alright, there it is, Gaggia functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos.